Snow has fallen in Paris, but only briefly. The first winter weather event of the season began at 8 o'clock p.m. Saturday and is expected to continue until 8 o'clock a.m. Sunday morning. 8 departments in the Île-de-France region, as well as parts of the Massif Central, were placed under an orange alert for snow and ice on Saturday night. Météo-France further detailed that as of 3 o'clock a.m. Sunday, snow had covered the capital and surrounding areas with an average accumulation of 1 to 4 centimeters. In the Île-de-France region, light snowfall was still occurring in the east, sometimes accompanied by freezing drizzle, the meteorological agency stated in an extraordinary bulletin issued at 4 o'clock a.m. The first bulletin is usually issued at 6 o'clock a.m. Six departments in the Massif Central, Aveyron, Cantal, Corrèze, Creuse, Haute-Maurienne, and Puy-de-Dôme have also been under an orange weather warning since 3 o'clock a.m. due to light snowfall and freezing rain that can make roads slippery. In these regions, precipitation remained light and scattered throughout the night. Light snow fell in Cantal and western Puy-de-Dôme, while the Limousin region recorded 1 centimeter in Limoges, Haute-Maurienne, and 3 centimeters in Égletons, Corrèze, followed by some freezing rain. According to Météo-France, snowfall will move from eastern Île-de-France towards evening, with final accumulations of 1 to 3 centimeters and locally up to 5 centimeters. Light sleet is expected in the Massif Central towards evening. The Paris Prefectural Police have decided to reduce the speed limit by 20 km/h throughout the Île-de-France region and prohibit overtaking of trucks weighing more than 3.5 tons on main roads. Rail and urban transport networks are not expected to be significantly affected, but delays of around an hour have been reported at Roissy Airport, which are likely to continue until Sunday. A total of 7,500 road maintenance workers have been deployed this weekend. First winter weather and snowfall. From Saturday night to Sunday, November 23, a thin layer of snow blanketed several departments in France. On Saturday, 14 of these departments were placed on orange alert for snow and ice by Météo-France. According to its latest bulletin, the weather agency has maintained an orange alert for snow and ice in 2 Massif Central departments, Puy-de-Dôme and Cantal. Météo-France lifted its alert at 6 a.m. for the departments of Yvelines, Val d'Oise, Essen, Paris, and the inner suburbs. A weak active disturbance bringing snow with some freezing rain continues its long shift from west to east towards the northeast of the country, reported Météo-France. In Seine-Maritime, Eure, Picardy, and Centre Val de Loire, some regions woke up to light snowfall. This snow cover is not expected to last long as the snow melt is forecast for Sunday with a significant rise in temperatures. On social media, numerous photos of snow in various regions have been posted, both by professionals and anonymous users. In the Île-de-France region, up to 5 centimeters of snow fell in some areas. On Saturday, snow even fell in Corsica.
Neige à très gros flocons. Ici à Chartres, en Eure-et-Loire, nous sommes dans le plus gros.
Initial episodes are sometimes not taken seriously enough, said Transport Minister Philippe Tabarot, speaking from the crisis center that mobilizes Météo-France road services, civil aviation, and transport operators. He recommended postponing non-essential travel, and for those who must travel, checking road conditions and equipping their vehicles accordingly. Paris Prefectural Police decided on Saturday evening to reduce the speed limit by 20 km/h throughout the Île-de-France region and prohibit overtaking trucks weighing more than 3.5 tons on main roads. Rail and urban transport networks are not expected to be significantly affected, but delays of around an hour were reported at Roissy Airport and are likely to continue through Sunday.